How to wear the right kind of underwear with different clothes. Underwear is one of the significant parts of the fundamental lingerie any woman puts on. Many girls begin their everyday routine by changing the pair of underpants. It is the spine of a closet, along with accurately fitted bras. Women put equal thought in picking the underwear, as much as they pay heed in picking the right bra. Women have a love-hate relationship with their undergarments. The right pair of undergarments with a specific dress can make you feel like the foxy hot goddess, while the inappropriate pair can even result in a wardrobe malfunction. Women put on a range of dresses and thus need different kinds of underwear for various occasions. One cannot just put on a thong underneath your fluttery floor-length dress, the black boy shorts with a sharp skirt. At this point, one needs a guide to know what kind of underwear goes with a particular type of clothing, as there is a pool of them all thanks to the ever-trendy underwear manufacturing company. Women indulge in long hours, putting together the ideal outfit for them, but not much of them spend time to look for underwear or bra with the preferred look. The option of undergarment can make or break an outfit. Let's look at some of the best pairings that will come handy. Sheer dress. If you are thinking about wearing a sheer dress for your next look and are worried about the thought of going commando, you perhaps yet not know about the flawless assortment of underwear, particularly for sheer dresses. Search for flawless undergarment made with no elastic. These items make outstanding deception of flat lines as you don silhouettes with dicey cuts on these. White leggings, pants. Nude underpants is the finest bet for undergarment underneath white bottoms. Pick undergarment that is close to your skin complexion. You can also take a crack at nude thongs to stay away from the